What are your dreams for Jamaica?
My name is Janelle Griffiths, and my dream for Jamaica is that there will be less violence in the country.
My dream for Jamaica is for the crime and violence rate to decrease so that Jamaica may become a better place.
My dream is for Jamaicans to appreciate their country more.
For us to express ourselves and work together as one independent nation.
I think that we should work on lowering the crime index as well, and also we need to increase our economy a little bit, and we need to build up our environment as well, and we need to obey the laws.
To decrease the poverty, because many times I see homeless persons on the road begging for money because they have no food or shelter.
People will respect and obey the law so that every day can be an incident and accident-free day.
For us to be more appreciative of our teachers, because our teachers are basically our superheroes.